In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Pocket FM app. So if you want to get the latest version or the latest features that comes with Pocket FM app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and get your app running smoothly without any problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to update your app, all you need to do is to go ahead and search for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and look for any update if it is available. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go back here and go to Google Play Store. And from Google Play Store, go ahead and tap on Search App here. Or if you can see this search bar, go down below to search here and just go ahead and enter the name of the app like that. Then search using the search icon, and this will take you to Pocket FM audio series app here. As you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Pocket FM. To update this, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Pocket FM and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Pocket FM app that comes with the latest features. So that's how you can get the latest version of Pocket FM app on your Android or iPhone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.